Good morning, my dear students. Hope all are fine and safe too. അപ്പം ഇതോടെ നമ്മുടെ കൺസ്ട്രക്ഷൻ പാർട്ട് കൺസ്ട്രക്ഷൻ എന്നുള്ള ചാപ്റ്റർ തീരുവാണ്. സോ ദിസ് വിൽ ബി ദ ലാസ്റ്റ് ക്ലാസ് ഓഫ് ദി ചാപ്റ്റർ കൺസ്ട്രക്ഷൻസ്. ഓക്കെ, സോ കൺസ്ട്രക്ഷൻസ് ലാസ്റ്റ് മെത്തേഡ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ കൺസ്ട്രക്ഷൻ ഓൾറെഡി വി ഡൺ ഇൻ ദ പ്രീവിയസ് ക്ലാസ്, that is the base angle. Then whatever the given condition base angle is there and the sum of the other two sides are given. One base and the base angle and the sum of the other two sides. If these much conditions are there, how will you construct a triangle? That we already discussed in the previous class. Today we are discussing about the base is given, base angle is given, and difference of other two sides. Okay, so that is base angle. For example, the base is given, so BC base is given as 5 centimeter and base angle is given, some it may be 80 degree. Okay, and the difference between the other two sides, that means if you are constructing this, that is difference between these two sides are given, then how will you construct a triangle? That is the method. Here there are two conditions are there. We are discussing about the case 1 and case 2. Okay, case 1 and case 2. So during the construction part I will explain how to do if it is case 1 and case 2. I am giving you the problems based on the case 1, 3 questions are given, and case 2 also 3 questions are given, and mixing homework questions also given at the attachment. Please go through that also. Okay, so അപ്പം ഇത്രയും ഉള്ളൂ ഈ ഒരു സെക്ഷൻ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ. ഇത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് ഈ ചാപ്റ്ററിൻ്റെ എൻഡിങ് ഇത് എങ്ങനെയാണെന്നുള്ളത് ആ ഒരു വീഡിയോ പാർട്ടിൽ നോക്കിയാൽ മതി, അതിന് ക്ലിയർ ആകും. ഓക്കെ, സോ ഒരു കാര്യം ശ്രദ്ധിക്കണം, ഇത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടൊരു സെക്ഷൻ ഉണ്ട്. ദാറ്റ് മീൻസ് ബേസ്ഡ് ഓൺ ദി ഹൗ ടു കൺസ്ട്രക്ട് എ ട്രയാങ്കിൾ ഇഫ് ദ പെരിമീറ്റർ ആർ ഗിവൻ. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് എ ഡിലീറ്റഡ് പോർഷൻ, സോ നോ നീഡ് ടു സ്റ്റഡി ദാറ്റ്. Up to this only you have to study. What are the things that we study or that we learn in this constructions? First one is construction of the base angles or the basic angles. That is 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, and the half of that also we discussed. And second part, construction of triangles. That first one is if the sum of the other two sides are given, how will you construct? And here it is the difference of other two sides are given. There are two cases. Both cases you have to study and identify the difference between the case 1 and case 2. Okay, so this much is today's section. So kindly go through it and do it today itself. Don't make it as pending. Today itself you have to finish the chapter constructions. Okay, and then one more thing I want to say is after this class, that is Monday's class, Wednesday there will be a revision section for combining triangles, quadrilaterals and probability. Okay, maybe Monday itself I give you the questions, that is 30 questions we are discussed on the Wednesday class. So 30 questions and some questions I wrote the answer only, not the full step, answer only. You have to go to that, and these 30 questions you have to work out by yourself. And Wednesday class I will discuss all these questions. I will not give you the questions on the what, just I am reading the questions only. By in your hand itself you have the 30 questions. Don't forget to write the answers and study well, because all are objective type questions. That is 1 mark questions I am discussing, because 2 mark, 3 mark, 4 mark questions are already in the textbook. That thing you have to study. No need to go through the additional questions, only you have to go to the 1 mark questions. That is important, because in the examination 1 mark questions are there, so you can do the problems based on that. Okay, so that we have discussed on Wednesday. So don't miss the Wednesday's class, because 1 mark questions are discussing, and you have to work out the 1 mark questions before the Wednesday's class. Okay, so hope all us stay safe in your home. So stay safe eat what I say, fresh vegetables, fruits and all things. I know you are not good at or not like fruits and vegetables, but you have to eat. Okay, for our being, you have to eat vegetables and fruits plenty. Okay, and then please watch the continuous section. And because I can't see you in the at the end, only my hand is running. You already know. That's why I'm saying this. Okay, so please watch the continuation and then write the questions. That is 30 questions, and that also you have to work out. Okay, thank you. Please go through the construction part. Okay. So please write down the heading, construction of a triangle when its base angle and the difference of the other two sides are given. Okay, so please write down the heading. So I already said there are two cases. So first one, so please write down case 1. So question, while explaining the question or the answer, I said how to do each problem. Okay, what is the difference between two questions? So write down the first question. Construct a triangle ABC in which BC is equal to 3.4 centimeter, AB minus AC is equal to 1.5 centimeter, and angle B is equal to 45 degree. Okay, so this is our question, and what you have to do is you have to go through the angle. It is angle B. Okay, then you have to go to the difference AB minus AC. So if here the base angle is B, here also the first term containing the B, is it? അതായത് ഇതിനകത്ത് ആംഗിൾ ബേസ് ആംഗിൾ ഏതാണ് ബി ആണ്. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ ഡിഫറൻസിൽ ആദ്യത്തെ പാർട്ടിൽ ബി ഉണ്ടോ നോക്കുക. ഉണ്ടോ? ഉണ്ട്. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ദ ഫസ്റ്റ് കേസ്. ബി ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ എങ്ങനെയാണ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? അപ്പോൾ നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ഇങ്ങനെയായിരിക്കും ചോദിക്കുക. ലിസൺ ഹിയർ. കൺസ്ട്രക്ട് എ ട്രയാങ്കിൾ എ ബി സി ഇൻ വിച്ച് ബി സി ഇസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു 3.4 സെൻറ്റിമീറ്റർ, എ സി മൈനസ് എ ബി ഇസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു 1.5 ആൻഡ് ആംഗിൾ ബി ഇസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു 45. അങ്ങനെയാണ് തരുന്നതെങ്കിൽ എ സി മൈനസ് എ ബി അല്ലേ വരാം. അപ്പോൾ എ സിയിൽ ബി ഉണ്ടോ? ഇല്ല. അപ്പോൾ അടുത്ത മെത്തേഡിലോട്ടായിരിക്കും മൂവ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ നോക്കുക. ആംഗിൾ ബി ഇസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു 45 ആൻഡ് ഹിയർ ഓൾസോ ബി ഈസ് ദർ. സോ യു ഹാവ് ടു മൂവ് ടു ദ case 1. Shall we construct? Yes. So please listen here. How will you construct this triangle ABC? First you have to draw BC is equal to 3.5. So sorry, 3.4. So please 3.4. First you have to draw 3.4. Okay, and you have to write that BC 3.4 centimeter. Okay, then what is angle B is equal to 45. So from B you have to take 45 degree. How will you take 45 degree? Do you remember? Yes. So please, first of all you have to draw what 60 degree is it? So first you have to draw 60 degree, then 120 degree, then half of that is it from this line here. This is what 90 degree, but we need what? We need 45 degree, is it? So this will be 90. Okay, but we need what? 45 degree. So 45 degree, what you have to do is you have to measure this much portion. Okay, then one cut, another cut. So this will be what? 45 degree. Okay, 45 degree you got 45 degree. Then B 45 degree we got, and AB minus AC. So AB is there. So here B is there. So how will you do? You have to extend this line. Okay, this angle line extending. Okay, then we have to take what? 1.5 centimeter. So in the compass you have to take 1.5. Okay, and you have to cut like this here. Okay, and then you have to join this point and C. Join this point and C, and then every time എപ്പോഴും നമ്മൾ വെറുതെ ജോയിൻ ചെയ്യുന്ന ലൈനിൻ്റെ ആയിരിക്കും പെർപെൻഡിക്കുലർ ബൈസെക്ടർ ആയിരിക്കും. സോ അപ്പോൾ ഇതിൻ്റെ പെർപെൻഡിക്കുലർ ബൈസെക്ടർ ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് മോർ ദാൻ ഹാഫ്, ടേക്കിംഗ് മോർ ദാൻ ഹാഫ്, top one arc, down also one arc, and from this point top one arc, down also one arc. Okay, then join this point and this, and then you have to extend that line and extend, and that point should touch here, and that is A. That point is our A, and then just simply joining A and C. So this big triangle, that is ABC, this full triangle is our required triangle. Okay, കുറച്ച് കൺഫ്യൂസിങ് ആണ്. 2 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ഇതുപോലെ ചെയ്ത് കഴിയുമ്പോഴേക്കും ക്ലിയർ ആയിക്കോളും. ഓക്കെ, സോ ഷാൽ വി മൂവ് ടു ദ നെക്സ്റ്റ് വൺ. നെക്സ്റ്റ് വണ്ണും സെയിം പാറ്റേണിലുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ തന്നെയാണ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. സോ പ്ലീസ് ഗോ ത്രൂ ദാറ്റ് ഓൾസോ. ഓക്കെ, സോ പ്ലീസ് write down the next question. Construct second question. Construct a triangle ABC in which BC will be equal to 5.6 centimeter, angle B is equal to 30 degree, and AB minus AC is equal to 3 centimeter. Okay, this is our question. So how will you do this? So listen here, first of all you have to draw BC. Okay, draw a line BC. Okay, so please take your scale and pencil and take what BC will be equal to what? 5.6. So BC 5.6 centimeter. Okay, then you have to take B 30 degree. 30 degree means what? First of all you have to draw 60 degree, then the midpoint of, or the angle bisector of 60 degree is what? 30 degree. So that becomes here. degree. Okay, then you have to go through our question. Angle B is 30 degree, and here also B, AB also, AB contain also B. So that straight first case one itself. So B, what is that? 3 centimeter. So from, take a compass and take 3 centimeter. And cut the line. Okay, then what you have to do? Join these two lines. That is this point and C. You have to join. Wherever we joins, what you have to do is you have to take the perpendicular bisector of that line. So taking more than half, top one arc, down also one arc, and from the other side also top one arc, down one arc. Then you have to join these two lines. Okay, so that point will like cut here and joining that way. So this point will be capital A. Okay, so then you have to mark here 30 degree, then this shade. Okay, hope you clear this type. Okay, one more question I will do, so then this set will be clear to you. Okay, so listen here please. Next question. Construct a triangle ABC in which AC minus AB is equal to 3.5 centimeter, BC is equal to 6.2 centimeter and angle C is equal to 45 degree. Okay, so how to do this question? So for doing this, what you have, first step is what you have to take 6.2 centimeter. Is it? So please, it's a big figure. So please draw BC on the down of that page. Okay, so please take your scale and pencil and draw. What is BC? BC is 6.2. 1, 2, 3, 6.2. Okay, so BC 6.2 centimeter. Then angle C is 45 degree. So you have to take first 90 degree. First 60, then 120, then 90, then we need 45, is it? So this much. So this is our 45 degree. Okay, and extending that line, and we need what's 3.5, is it? So take the compass 3.5. So 1, 2, 3, 3.5. Okay, so you have to cut here. Okay, and join this and B. Clear? And taking more than half of this line. So you have to take more than half, and you have to draw top one arc, down also one arc, here also top one arc, down also one arc. Okay, and joining the line, and you have to extend the line. Okay, at the same time you have to extend this line also. Somewhere it meets, so you have to find that. Okay, so at the end of the page they will meet. So this is that point. Did you see that? Yes. At that point you mark as capital A and joining that point to B. This big triangle will be the required triangle. Big triangle, is it? Okay, so this is our third question. Hope you clear this question. Okay, so this വരയ്ക്കുമ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ അഡ്ജസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്ത് വരയ്ക്കുക. ദാറ്റ് മീൻസ് ബുക്കിൻ്റെ സൈഡിൽ മാർക്ക് ചെയ്തിട്ട് figure complete ആക്കുക. Okay, so shall we move to the next case? Yes, so please write down the case 2. Okay, so please write down case 2. First question, construct a triangle ABC in which BC is equal to 5.8 centimeter, angle C is equal to 60 degree, and AB minus AC is equal to 2.5 centimeter. So this is our question. Construct a triangle ABC in which BC is equal to 5.8 centimeter, angle C is equal to 60 degree, and AB minus AC is equal to 2.5 centimeter. Okay, this is our question. So how will you do? First of all, what you have to do is you have to draw BC as usual. Okay, so first you have to draw BC. How much? 5.8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.8, and you have to mark BC 5.8 centimeter. Okay, then C angle 60 degree is given, so you have to draw 60 degree. First cut represents what? 60 degree. Okay, so that you have to draw, and Okay, then what you have to do is you have to go through this. Here AB. Is C is present here? No. ഇപ്പോൾ സി പ്രസൻ്റ് ആണോ ഈ എ ബിക്കകത്ത്? അല്ല. പ്രസൻ്റ് അല്ല എന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് ഈ ലൈനിൻ്റെ താഴത്തോട്ട് എക്സ്റ്റെൻഡ് ചെയ്യാം. ഓക്കെ, താഴത്തോട്ട് എക്സ്റ്റെൻഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ഹൗ മച്ച് യു ഹാവ് ടു ടേക്ക് 2.5. സോ സ്കെയിലും പെൻസിലും യൂസ് ചെയ്ത് 2.5 സെൻറ്റിമീറ്റർ എടുക്കുക. എന്നിട്ട് എന്ത് ചെയ്യുക? ഇത് കട്ട് ചെയ്യുക. യു ഹാവ് ടു കട്ട് ദാറ്റ്. Okay, then what you have to do is you have to join B and this point. B and this point joined. Okay, then this line എപ്പോഴും join ചെയ്യുന്ന ലൈനിൻ്റെ more than half അല്ലേ എടുക്കുക. So taking more than half of this line and here one arc, top also one arc. Then from this point top one arc, down one arc. Okay, then join that line and then the point will touch here, so you have to join that point and B. So here it will becomes A. So this will be our ABC. This will be our required triangle. ഒരു ഡിഫറൻസ് മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ, ടോപ്പിലോട്ടല്ല കട്ട് ചെയ്യുക, ഡൗൺവേർഡ്സ് ആണ് കട്ട് ചെയ്യുക. അത് മാത്രം ശ്രദ്ധിച്ചാൽ മതി. Okay, so one more question I will do based on this type. So please write down the next question. Second question. Construct a triangle XYZ in which XY is equal to 6 centimeter, angle X is equal to 60 degree and YZ minus XZ is equal to 4 centimeter. Okay, so as usual, first what you have to do is you have to draw XY. Okay, so first of all you have to draw XY 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. So XY 6 centimeter. Then angle X 60 degree. So you have to take 60 degree. 60 degree easy one, is it? Yes, 60 degree. So I'll draw the line. Then you have to go YZ. Is X is present here? No. So where you have to do? You have to move downwards. Okay, and take how much centimeter? 4 centimeter. So from the scale you have to take 4 centimeter and cut this line. Okay, and then join Y and that point. Then taking more than half of this line. Okay, then you have to join that. So this will be the meeting point. You have to join this. So XY and this will be our point Z. So this will be our required triangle. Okay, so hope you clear these two questions. So I'll give you one more question. Please go through that also. After that we will move to the homework questions. Okay, so shall we move to one more question? Yes, please take next third question. Please write down. Construct a triangle PQR in which QR is equal to 5.8 centimeter, PR minus PQ is equal to 1.8 centimeter and angle Q is equal to 45 degree. So what you have to do is you have to draw first what QR is 5.8. So from using the scale you have to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, I made my mistake only. So how much you have to take? 5.8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.8. Okay. So QR will be 5.8 centimeter. Then angle Q is 45 degree. Q is 45 degree means what? First you have to take 60 degree, then 120 degree, then 90 degree. So joining, then 45. 45 means from this point. Okay, so this will be our angle 45 degree. Okay, then you have to go through what? Angle Q, here PR. If it is PR, where you have to move back, is it? So from this line you have to move back up to what? 1.8 only. So you have to take 1.8 centimeter on the compass and cut that line. Sorry, yes, cut that line. Then joining this point and R. Whenever we join, yes, whenever we join, you have to take the more than half of that line. Okay, so down one arc, top also one arc. From this point of draw the arcs, and then you have to join, and this point cut here, is it? So you have to join that point and R. So this point will be what? Capital P. So PQR. This is our required triangle. Okay, so hope you clear this section. Little bit confusing, not confusing. If you are interested, you can easily done. Okay, so please do these 6 questions and then do the homework questions. Then that will be clear to you. Okay, thank you. So see you in the next class. Bye.